Yeehaw! Welcome back to the Cooking with Papa Tuck show here at the MVTV station right here on Martha's Vineyard. And today we're going to be doing up like just a chicken throw together from Papa Tuck. And the kids love it, the wife loves it, and I'll be using some of that homemade sauce that we put into the freezer. So these are part of the shows of things to do with the homemade sauce that you froze. So it just helps with the budget. I mean, that's what it's all about today. Help with the family budget. I mean, this whole meal is under 20 bucks, feeds a family of 6. You know what I'm saying? And you know, you got chicken going into it. I have some zucchini going into it. I've got some cherry tomatoes going into it. I actually have some snow peas going into it. I mean, you can put into it whatever you want. And of course, we're going to be using some thin pasta, virgin olive oil to cook with. And I got me some garlic. I'm going to probably 1 clove. Yeah, Mama Tuck loves broccoli, so we're going to be throwing some broccoli into the mix. And over on the stove, I've got the sauce warming up that I took out of the freezer. So, but first, let's sit at this station. And what we're going to do, oh, and remember, if you're watching this on YouTube, because our Papa Tuck's channel is all over YouTube now. And please, when you're watching it on YouTube, look to your bottom right, click subscribe. Please like the channel, and please share the channel with all your friends. The more the channel grows, the more shows I'm going to do. Yeah! And it's all about helping you. I love it. Okay? And if you've got a special show that you want me to do, personal message me. I'll do a show with it. You know, I love it. Oh, and I'd like to do a shout out to my grandson, Marshall. How you doing up there? I heard you got over 2 foot of snow. I'll bet a sled's going to be coming in handy with Santa Claus. Yeehaw! Talk to you soon, Marshman. Okay. Now, we're going to put a little extra virgin olive oil in the bottom of this pan. And not a lot, not a lot. You know, we're not basically even covering the bottom. We're just putting enough in there to cook into the foods. Okay? So I got that in there. Let me get a garlic ready, okay? Get the skin off the garlic. Okay? Just like that. And all we're going to do is sort of mince up the garlic. I mean, if you've got minced garlic in a jar home, use that. I like to use fresh. You know what I mean? I like to use fresh. So, no big deal. It's just more or less for flavor. And I'm using 1 clove in this. I'm not using a lot, you know? Let me chop that up a little finer, just like that. Okay, bring that in like that. And just chop it up. No way. I like it. And that's good enough right there. We're not going crazy. We're not going crazy. We're putting that right into the pan, just like that. Let's get the rest of it over there. Boom, like that. Then, we're going to throw our chicken in here. Now, this is chicken that we pulled out just a few minutes ago. We had it in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. We got it all thawed out. And we're probably going to, you know, chunk it up after it cooks. So let me get this all in here, just like that. Just like that. Swirl it around, just like that. So that's all in there. We are going to cook this first, and then we are going to add our other things to it while the sauce is warming up. Let me put this in the sink, then I'm going to wash my hands because I'm dealing with chicken. Okay, so let's put that over there. Let's go over to the stove, and we'll start the cook on this. Okay? Okay, I'm going to start bringing this up to temp. I'm going to put it on a high heat right now, about like that. Then we're going to put that on there like that. Okay, now back over here, what we're going to do is I'm going to chunk up the, and I've got the pasta already cooking. Well, it's not cooking yet. I've got the water coming up to a boil, okay? So what we're going to do here is I'm going to cut the yucky part off of that. A lot of people like that. It's all up to you. All up to you. Let's cut the broccoli up, okay? Like this. Just chunk it up. Don't really matter. We're going to add this to the chicken when it's done, okay? We'll add that to the chicken when it's done. So let's put that over to the side. And then we're going to throw these snow peas in here, get these snow peas ready. I love snow peas. So let me get a handful of these puppies out, put them in the colander. Another handful out, put them in the colander. Let's save these for later. We don't need all that many. I got 2 Papa Tuck paws in there going into that pan. But I want to wash these off a little bit. The garlic was already, the broccoli was already washed. Well, let's wash these snow peas. Okay, put them back down there. And there's our snow peas. That's what's going into the mix, and we're going to leave them whole. We're going to leave them whole, just like that. And we've got zucchini. We got zucchini going into this, okay? And what we're going to do with that is I got this package of these babies. There's 3 nice slices of zucchini on this, okay? What I'm going to do is I'll save these for another meal. That's called budgeting because we don't need all that in there. And I'm going to cut these twice. Now, there's your zucchini that's going into this mix, okay? Now, you can take a whole zucchini and just slice it and throw into this after you wash it. You know what I mean? It's awesome. Let me wash this up. Get the raw chicken off it. There you go. That's all done. Now, we'll shoot back over the stove and we'll check that cook over there and see how it's doing. She's just starting to come up. So, I'll be right back. Let's check the chicken. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's starting to cook up good. Look at that. Look at that. Remember, you don't want to burn this. You just want to cook this. You know what I mean? You just want to cook it. You want it to look like that. You know what I mean? You want it to look like that. But you want it cooked all the way through. Chicken's fussy. I like to have my chicken all the way through, and so do you. I don't care what anybody says. Cook that poultry. You know, if you want to stick a meat thermometer in to make sure it's done, make sure it's at 180. You know what I'm saying? If you want to cut it in half to make sure it's done, make sure it's white all the way through. No pink meat. Pink meat means rare or raw. Make sure it's cooked all the way through and white. Okay, so this is taking about, I mean, if I was to time it, didn't time it, but you're talking about 7 minutes to cook this. And, you know, you think about it, your pasta takes about 7 minutes, and that's come up to a boil now. So I'm going to add my pasta in there. We'll get the pasta done. We'll get the pasta done while the rest of this is cooking. Now, what's so cool about this is you get home from work, this meal takes a half hour to prep. Especially if your sauce was out, you know, you got it all thought out. I mean, within a 40-minute period, you've got dinner on the table for the family. And it's so much better than going to a fast food joint. You know what I mean? Now, it's only time now, so mama talk. So I'm only going to cook about half a pound here. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to break it like this and throw it in, just like that. And then we're going to get that baby stirring. Okay, once that pasta's done, everything else should be god darn close to serving. Yeah. So let's just bring that back up to a boil. We don't want the noodles sticking, so we're stirring a little bit when we first put it in there. You know, you can put a little oil in there, or salt, or whatever. Mommy used to put oil in there. My mom did. Okay. Let's check this chicken out. Oh my God, does that ever look good? I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay. That chicken is just about done. Just about done. Just about. Let me break that in half and show you. I'll come back over here for a minute. Let me just show you. You know, see, nice and white on top. And it's a little pink in the middle. Not much. It's almost done. It is almost done. Look at that. That one's rare in the middle. See that? This has got to get done. Got to get done. That's almost done. So let's let this keep cooking because it is not done yet. What I'll probably do is start breaking this up here in a second. Because we don't want them big chunks in there. We want smaller chunks in there. So let me get something to break it up with over here. Get the old spatula out. and I'll show you how Papa Tuck breaks it up. This is what I do to break it up. And I use my grabbers. Now you can use your knife and take it out and cut it, or I don't like to do that. I just like pulling it apart. Because Mama Tuck likes it shredded and she likes small chunks. And that's what I'm cooking for, is Mama Tuck. You know? Look at this. Oh my God, is that ever looking good? Now once I get this part done, broke up into its chunks, I'm going to throw the rest of the veggies in here. You're going to love this when it's done. Absolutely. I know I do. I absolutely love this. Okay. We're all chunked up pretty good there. I like some bigger chunks myself too. Okay, so that's on there. Pasta. Look at that baby roll. She's boiling up. Boiling up. We don't want it sticking together. And that baby's sticking together a little bit. So let's get it broke up. We don't want it sticking together. I keep saying that. There you go. There you go. Nice. So let's bring our veggies over. Now, we are bringing over the broccoli and the beans, and we're going to put them right into the mix here. All right? Just like this. Now, another thing is, Mama Tuck loves mushrooms. So let me grab some mushrooms. Maybe back right over here. Put that right there. Mama Tuck loves mushrooms, okay? So let's just throw a few mushrooms in there. Not a lot, just a few. There you go. Throw them into the mix. And we're actually going to throw some cherry tomatoes in here. Now the mushrooms were washed, they told me. And they said that the cherry tomatoes were, but I'm not going to believe them on that. So let me just I'm going to take about, back this camera over here, I guess. I'm going to take about a handful cherry tomatoes, and I'm just going to wash these up, and we're going to put them in the mix. You got to remember to keep your hands clean. You're dealing with poultry. Keep washing your hands. All right, then these babies are going right into the mix, just like that, just like that. And we're going to throw the top on that. Well, here, the other top is fit, and we're just going to let that cook, just like that. There we go. Now, let's let that warm up. Take a look at the sauce. Wait a minute. That pasta's almost done too. We got to stay on top of this. But look at that sauce. This sauce, look at that. This was in the freezer. That was in the freezer. That's going to be delicious. Now let's check the spaghetti. That's what my grandson used to call it. Spaghetti. It's spaghetti. That's not done yet. I can just tell by the looks of it. I can tell by the looks of it. It's not going to be tender enough yet. Okay? So let's let that cook. Let's let that cook. These are steaming now. We're actually going to put a little bit of water in there to help these steam. We don't want to burn them. We want to steam them. So let me get some water. Let me get some water over here. And as you can see, we're not putting a lot of water in, about a half a cup, quarter cup actually. Just enough to make these babies steam. And as they start steaming, we're going to throw a little sauce in. Let's throw a little sauce in there. Let's check that pasta. Oh, that pasta's looking done now. This is a thin spaghetti, okay? I usually like to use angel hair. I love angel hair pasta. My grandmother used to make it homemade. Let's check this now. Look at that. That's done. That's done. I'm going to do a true check. Yep. Pasta's done. So we go over here and get that baby, all the water out of it. Get all the water out of that. Let's turn that burner off. Burner's off. Bring it over here like this. Like that. Get the water out of it. Put it right back in there. We're going to bring it right back over the stove. Just like that, okay? and we're going to throw a little of this sauce in here, just like that. Not a lot, just a little bit, okay? Because we don't want the pasta to stick together, okay? And it will. And at home, you know, you can throw some butter in here too. Throw, you know, a tablespoon or so of butter into it. I'm actually going to throw a little bit more in there. This sauce, oh God, it just gets better and better every time you cook it. You know what I'm saying? It's delicious. And this is what we're doing with that homemade sauce that you made. Oh my, I made mine a month ago. So I bagged up, I think I had 10 bags in a Ziploc baggie. And we ate pasta that night that I made this. So, I mean, you can't beat it. Really, you just can't beat it. So there's what the spaghetti's looking like, you know. And here's what the fixings are going to look like. But these babies, they got to steam. As soon as they get done, we're going to add them a little sauce to them, put them on a plate, and they are ready to serve. And there's plenty of leftovers here, too. Plenty of leftovers. Look at this, huh? Look at this. Oh, my God, does that look good. Actually, just for a little flavor while it's cooking, let's throw a little sauce on top of that. We're going to keep an eye to it. You're not going to let it burn. Let's just let that sauce cook into that. Oh, my God, look at that. That's looking good. That's looking good. I am thinking it's done. Oh, smell that. Oh my God, it is. That smells delicious. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on a plate. Take a little bit of that pasta out of there. Got that thing got locked up on me. This is what it's going to look like. Put a little of that on there. Look at that. Oh my God. Put a little of this on there. Look at that. Oh, Mama Tuck gonna love this. I know I love it. These veggies are good. Let me throw another hunk of zucchini on there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. And let's put some sauce on it. Now this is that, remember, this is that homemade sauce you made. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Put a little Parmesan cheese on there. Little bit of, let's shoot over here. I got to turn that stove back off, so let me set that right there for a minute. Because this is done. We don't want to cook no more, so we're shutting her down. There you go. Let me pop back over here. Now look at this. This is awesome. Look at that. You want to do a little side shot here. Now you take this and you put this with garlic bread on the side, a little bit of green salad, Parmesan sprinkled cheese on there, and you're feeding the whole family. Now that meal right there will feed up to 6. No problem whatsoever. Of course, you want to do a little, a little bit more pasta in that. When I had the 6 at the home, I used to do 2 pounds of the pasta. Okay? Now remember, when you're on YouTube, please like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe to my channel. And we will be setting up our stations here, for a scheduled show on MVTV as soon as we get a couple more videos up. We want to get at least 6 in the computer bank, and then I'll have a scheduled day. And we'll be filming shows, running shows, YouTubing shows. Now, what's really cool about this, and you know what I'm going to say, you did this in your kitchen. Y'all be safe now. Talk to you later.